Why do we only have snow days on days that I have to go to work? Let's go. Am I supposed to do this to my wipers or no? I don't know. My parents didn't raise me very well. I think the reality is that I may never go home. I may have to work for the rest of my life. Sometimes I literally forget that I'm the adult in the room. And I had told our new grad that's working with us today that I was going out for a smoke earlier. And most of what I say is not true. And most people know that by now. You're looking to me for advice? It's too bad. Let's go home. Let's go get it. I heard it snowed. How bad could it be, right? That's great. There's my... Oh, she's tick. She's tick snow, hon. This is how I do it, actually. Just a little up. Yes. First this. Now this. Let's ride. Got home and you have to shovel all the front path and driveway? Wow. That doesn't seem fair. I made it home!
Oh.
2 out of 4 down. It takes me hours to get all of these people to sleep.
It looks like right now she's like right below them.